Hello friend, this is Nagendra. This is CSS lesson number 15. In this lesson, we will discuss about like how to test the CSS commands without running in the program. By using command terminal mainframe screen, CSS screen itself, we can able to test these commands. We have like some predefined commands. It is by using CCI, CBR and CDF command. And in the next topic, I will discuss about the how to handle an exception because of like a testing, and if you compare like a combining both testing and handling exception, it will take more than 1 hour time. I am splitting the first to this lesson only for the testing commands, and next lesson we will discuss about the handling exception conditions. Let me start like these are like a command like a testing while doing having a command CSS supply transaction, CDF and CECI or CECS or CEBR. We already discussed like how to test like a CEDF command, and in this chapter like we'll discuss about like a CECI and CES and CEBR command. In the next lesson we will discuss about all these application program support handling exception. These are like command like a sample command like a to handle exceptions. We'll discuss about each and every one in the next session. We can go to like a go to that like a this is like a overview. Arrays for no handle condition, ignore condition, handle AID, why we'll use handle abandon. We'll discuss about each one. Next one. In this session, we'll concentrate only these four commands. Why we'll use like a CDF, use like a debugging the main command terminal using program CDF and CDS. We have discussed like a previous lessons. If you want to like know like how to debug the CDF, please refer the previous sessions. We'll able to get to know like how to test by using CDF command. And next one is the CECI. CECI command interpreted CICS applied transaction. CECI enable a program to execute CICS command without writing a program. Command interpreted, nothing but CECI, nothing but command interpreted. And next is CS supply transaction. CECS can be used like a to check command syntax without executing the command here. This is like a CECS used to check like a syntax checking without executing command here, but a CI is like to execute the program without writing, without executing without executing the program here. And CBR like allowed to browse the information temporary storage queue. In the previous lesson, we discussed like what are the temporary storage queue TSQs, how to browse in the command. Also, we have like a command called CBR command. Next, we start from CECI command. If you are going to start like a CECI command, first type like a CECI command level in the mainframe CSS screen. For the CECI screen image below, like a first node log enter. First enter the CECI command, then press the enter key here. When you CECI invoke like without parameters, kick supplied the providing a prompting screen like a we'll go to like a next screen. Once you enter like a CECA command and press the enter key, it will display these are like a command like a system already the system having these are like a supported commands. Whatever the system supported command, it will get display here after you press CECA command, then pressing the enter. Then press PF3 followed by clear screen. The first screen lists the all CECA supported command. These are like a CECA supported commands. Putting a question mark before the command request a syntax check only. No execution means if you want to know like what is the each command means put question mark beside the command here. There is one space is there. Put command here. You will be able to see like what is the command syntax for the these command. But it is not execution. Putting a question mark means it will not execute, just it will display the syntax of this command. And this screen is divided like four parts. You will be able to know like what is the four parts: command input area, status area. This is a status area, command area, and information area. And next is a PF key area. These are like a PF key area. And I am going to test like one of the command like here we have like a write q TDQ. Writing a TDQ, I am typing CECI write q TD. If you press like a right q td, what will happen? Press enter key here. After I pressing here, like after typing this CECI right q td command, like you will able to press enter key, you will able to get like this is a syntax, like a command syntax check. You will able to see the status also, like your right q command and td key you are going to test, and this is a status like what you are going to command syntax check. This is syntax for the right q td q. And press pf9. What is the pf9 here? Like a one is in a help here, 2 hexadecimal, and 4 is eiv. Like after entering like enter key, after displaying this screen, like command syntax check, then you can press like a f9 pf9. Pf9 nothing but a message here. You will able, once you press the message here like a pf9, you will able to see this screen here. Then you need to press again enter key. Enter key followed by additional command like enter key again. After pressing this one, after displaying this message, also you need to press again enter key. After pressing enter key, you will able to see like about to execute the command. One the status kind like about to execute command one. You will be able to see this message. Then you need to type like what is the queue and the sys id from the data, from where you just put like a test data record one, and you are going to display the length here 20 characters. These are like after displaying this message only, you need to type like a right q tdq here, q number. And after entering these values, you need to press again enter key here. Here like after about to execute command means you need to type like a tdq 4 characters qid. After pressing 4 characters, then you will able to get like this is a command execution complete, means your syntax is complete. Now you will able to display the response. Now after pressing pf3 here, now after getting display this command execution in complete message, then you need to press pf3, then clear screen. Even you can able to see the response here normal, and response eib response also you can able to see the response code is 0, and eib response 2 also you can able to see the status, it is a 0, return code is 0 here, means the command execution is run successfully. That is like how to like test like a tdq command. Now we are going to update like a file by using this CICS command, read file and update. Reading with update file, RID record number, this is the record number, into data ampersand data, means you will able to see next screen what is the ampersand data value. Now you need to press enter key. After typing this key, after pressing this command, you need to type like a enter key here. Now you are able to see like about to execute, means you need to give the values here, RID field and RID key number, and now you have to press F5. After getting this message, you need to press F5. You will able to see some of the values like a same value, the first screen. Okay. Now this is like after execution of this F5 command here, you can able to see bottom of the screen what type of key you are going to press here. This command like you need to press creating an update variable. Previously we have seen like what is an ampersand data in the bracket. This is the ampersand data in the into read file, into I have given ampersand data. This is a previous command, we have given a read file into ampersand of data. What is an ampersand data? You can able to see this message like creating an updating file. Here my command is executing now, read file updating RID field number into ampersand data. What is an ampersand data? After reading records, like how many records has been like kicks supplied, these are like variables, and ampersand dfhc like this is sample, and read queue, write queue, and into this file and ampersand data. Press again to about to execute command here. You need to press again until display this command about to execute the screen. You need to press always the enter key here. After pressing enter key, you will able to see the command execution complete. Until you get like this message, the status is command execution, you need to press enter key only. So here like your command execution successfully, then only you can able to see the response is normal here. So your reading with the file update is done, and you can able to see the response also, return code. And now first tab into option and press enter key here. Like a first tab into the into option here, tab into option, go to the into option, until the into option press the tab key, then enter key here. How many bytes you can able to see that like here, this is the enter record number, Christian, name of the record, and this is like a date here also it is displaying how many length your bytes you are going to update here, you can able to see in the command here. After pressing enter key, you will be able to see like updating record. This message will get like a display the changes have been done for this record. Now you need to press again enter key. Again here you can able to see that record command execution is successfully, means your record, what is the response for this command, like a saving a record here. Now after getting this message, mean your record has been saved successfully. Name is, you can able to see like where it is saved here, name is equal to ampersand read, and response is normal here. Now you can able to press like a pfi here. What is a pfi variable, what is an ampersand read here. Previously it is displayed in ampersand data, now it is displaying ampersand read here. After saving your record, you want to see the like a view and saved the record, means previous record and current record, give ampersand read and this command here in here, then you need to press enter key here. After pressing enter key, you are able to see the rewrite is completed, because we earlier I have given like a read file and update, but it is going to rewrite with the same file. So rewrite command is execution, because we are going to update the same file. So you can able to see the response is normal and EAB response is 0. And now you are able to press enter key again to save, invoking a saved command. How to we need to invoke like a save command, means how, after pressing enter key you able to see like I am retrieving from ampersand read. About to execute command, I am going to execute this command. Now you need to press enter key here. This is a command like you can able to invoke like a saved command, and these are like three ways to specify the variable. Press pfi to define a update or a variable, or like use a variable in the command itself, and name a data variable and a field expansion screen, like a name is equal to name a command variable and about to execute command and execution complete screen. Like here, let me go like a one back once again, like where you are going to stuck here, about to execute like a named field, where is the named field, command execution named field here. They are asking here named field, you can able to give like a display your own field here. After getting a displaying command execution complete, you can able to give your name, and like a system will identify the name here. Like to invoke the named field, you can able to see the I am invoking ampersand of read file, because I have not given any name here, system will take name, default name here. That's why here they are telling we can able to invoke like a three types of variable here. Next we have like one more command, like a browsing a CICS queues, like temporary storage queue, CEBR, type CEBR. Once you type like a CEBR, just then press enter key. After pressing enter key, you will able to see get like a clear the screen. 1 minute friends, you are able to see like a screen has been blurred. Please hold on for 2 minutes. I think it will come, the screen will come like in the normal. You will able to see the text is only visible, then I will tell you the content, like what you are going to explain the each topic. Yeah, after pressing a CEBR command, you will able to see that TSQ command, and I think now you are able to see that content. So CABR allows to browse the transaction temporary storage queue. Yeah, when you press like a CEBR, like a default TSQ will be assigned to automatically TSQ CEBR command. And now if you press abend like here, this is the command CEBR. This is a CEBR command. You need to press like if you want to know like what is the CEBR, like press PF1 like help, and to view like how many CBR command, like just give this command. This is the queue name, temporary storage queue name, and what is the transaction temporary queue ID, transaction ID, it will display here. And this is like a to command like a purging, enter the command here, like enter the command option in the CS screen. Purge means it will like a queue name will be get purged here. If you want to get like a what QID, like a get here the QID here, 4 characters QID here only, then you can able to see like a next screen you will able to see the temporary storage TSQ, you can able to browse here. And in the bottom you can able to see the some of the option like a scrolling left and right, and view button means you need to press like a PF5. And this is like command like to get like a getting a TDQ. See get, after getting a get the QID number, the 4 characters QID, you can able to see the to access the TDQ get command you need to press here to access QID get, then 4 characters destination ID. Then you can able to see like this queue, currently it is blank here, this having some record we have previously updated, test data record 1, this is the record, it is the queue having the data. Yeah, that's all friends for the CEBR. How we will having some of the quiz here, you can go through like what is the quiz here, like, they are given previous visual, how many records are currently displaying means for the CABR this is one only, and for the get IID then we have given like UID, it is showing like a 0 records because it is district read, we cannot able to read like for the intra partition queue. Suppose you want to terminate CEBR writing a record to like a QID using CECI and return to CEBR. How many records will now CEBR having in a QID? Only one record, because I am writing a record in QID here and returning to CEBR. Next, if you issue like a get QID while in a CEBR, how many records will be there in the account record means after getting you are getting into the CEBR command like a QID while in CEBR browsing, how many records will be having CEBR means it is having 2 records, and get EOID having only 0 records here. That's all for this is for how to test like a commands without execution in the program, and to test like how to check the syntax error. And in the next lesson we'll about to see like how to handle the exception condition by using program. Friends, if you are like a comment if you like my content, please like, and if you are having any friends to know like a CSA, please share and subscribe my channel to get upcoming notification. If you are facing any questions in the interview, please paste into the comment, I will reply to your comment like how to handle interview, like how to answer into the interview to impress the interviewer. Thank you all.